Picture a high-volume call center at peak hours. The environment is loud, chaotic, and agents are buried under a relentless wave of incoming calls. Traditional PBX, or private branch exchange systems, struggle under this specific kind of pressure. Their primary function is connecting lines, passing every ringing phone straight through to an agent's desk, without filtering the traffic. To manage that volume, an organization needs an intelligent gateway. It requires a system that functions as a traffic cop, an administrative assistant, and an analyst before a human ever picks up the receiver. 3Cx V20 Update 9 addresses this by integrating improved AI models and enterprise-grade queue management directly into the core call flow. This update shifts the logic of the system toward triaging the intent behind every interaction rather than just managing the electrical connection. We can see this shift in practice by tracking a single incoming call the moment it hits the enterprise network. Instantly, a newly built-in AI spam filter evaluates the connection. If it detects a nuisance caller, it drops the line automatically. The phone on the agent's desk never even rings. If the call passes the AI filter, but specialized human agents are currently on other lines, the system moves to the next management phase. The caller enters the queue, but they aren't left in the dark. They hear a precise estimated wait time, calculated from real-time agent performance data, and they can press 2 to request an automated callback without losing their spot in line. For callers who wait, if they exceed a timeout threshold, the system triggers a time-based escalation, and routing rules begin to widen. It progressively escalates the call to a larger pool of skill-matched agents to find a quick resolution. These cascading rules ensure that every second of hold time is spent actively searching for the first available qualified specialist. The call finally connects to an available human agent. This is the redesigned Update 9 web client, where the agent handles that interaction. The layout features cleaner dialer navigation and customizable team views, allowing the user to toggle between comfortable and compact display modes depending on their current call volume. This flowchart tracks how the AI personal assistant handles a legitimate caller. Using an improved route-by-name logic, the AI categorizes the call, flags it as urgent, or splits the connection into the standard routing path based on priority. Intercepting the traffic at the front door removes the first operational bottleneck. Human agents can then focus on high-value interactions instead of manual transfers. The moment the agent hangs up the phone, back-end automation takes over. The AI utilizes the conversational context of the call to automatically draft a follow-up email. The human agent can move immediately to the next caller, while the AI absorbs the administrative wrap-up autonomously. This chart highlights the new integration with Grok AI. The system transcribes the entire conversation, complete with stereo speaker separation, at a cost of roughly 10 cents an hour. Zooming out from that single desk, we can see how these individual efficiencies stabilize the entire enterprise pipeline. Upgrading the back-end architecture means IT administrators gain the same operational advantages as the floor agents. The new custom template generator allows admins to build and adjust SIP provider templates globally, preserving all existing routing and caller ID settings without having to recreate them. They also gain custom remote syslog support, which forwards system events directly to standard log collectors to meet strict compliance and auditing requirements. By addressing the specific needs of callers, agents, and IT administrators, Update 9 creates a single, highly efficient architecture for the entire organization. To implement these tools, log into your admin console, navigate to System, select Updates, and download Update 9. Subscribe to the channel to catch our future deep dives into enterprise communication.